Hey guys, in this tutorial we will learn how to update a data in a MySQL. Everything we will learn from scratch. We will not skip any step. So suppose we have a table, my post, and have some data. This is row 1, this is row 2, and this is row 3. And if you want to update this author of this post, which is a Laravel tutorial, its author is Rathod G. We can update Rathod G to something else, and if you want to update this data, you can do by where clause. So let's do by example. First we need to log into our MySQL. Okay, so the first we need to go to this PC and go to C drive, go to XAMPP, and we have a MySQL, which is this one, and go to bean and just type it here, cmd. First we need to log into our MySQL. For that, minus MySQL minus u, and username is root, minus p for password, and enter. My password is blank. So now we have successfully logged in. So now we need to know our database name. For that, so databases, and we have a lots of databases, but we will use this testdb. So for that, use testdb and semicolon. So now database has been changed. So now we need to show a list of tables inside test database. So tables. So now we have two tables inside this testdb database. So we will use this post table. So first we need to see data of this post table. So select all from table name, and table name is post table, like this, and semicolon. So guys, as you can see, we have three columns like these: MySQL tutorial, PHP tutorial, and Laravel tutorial. So we will update this Laravel tutorial, its author. We will update this Rathod G to something else. For that, we need to write a query for updating data. Okay, so let's come back to here and we will update our data. For that, we have update keyword, update, and table name, and our table name is this post table. Post, let's put it small, post table, table, table. Then we have a keyword which is set, and we can set some data. Okay, so set author, and author we want to update, which is a Rathod G, to something else. Let's put it Rudranshi. Okay, and if you want to update this one as well, title, so you can put it title, title, and title we want to pitch a Laravel tutorial to Laravel in easy steps. Laravel in easy steps, like this. So this will update this Laravel to Laravel in easy steps. Okay, so let's make it bigger. Oh god, where it goes? Yeah, here it is. Yeah, so let's make it bigger, and then we need to put where clause, where, where id is, let me small, id is 3, and semicolon. So before to execute this query, let's understand this one. Update, this update keyword, and then table name, and our table name is post table, and here is a post table, and set author, which is this author, and it's a author is currently all the authors is Rathod G, but we want to change Rudranshi. And then title, and title we want to update these titles. Okay, and it's a title is Laravel in easy steps, but we can select one of them by where clause, where id is 3. If you put like id is 2, it will update this record. If you put id is 1, it will update first one. Okay, so where we can point a row. Okay, so then let's hit enter, so it will update this data. So let's check data updated or not. For that, let's put it select tag, select all from table name, and table name is post table, and semicolon. So guys, as you can see, now we have a fresh new title of this post, which is id have a 3. First before it was a Laravel tutorial, but now we have a Laravel in easy steps. but its author now is Rudranshi, and before we had this Rathorji. Okay, so this way we can update our table in a easy way. So if you have any questions and query, you can write a comment. I'm here to help you. So thanks for watching once again, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, guys. Thank you so much for supporting me, and we will see you soon in next video. Till then, bye, have a nice day, bye bye guys.